Right lines, previous Eamcet problems. The incenter of a triangle formed by the lines x plus y is equal to 1, comma x is equal to 1, comma y is equal to 1 is dash. Here is given x is equal to 1 line. This is x plus, this is x plus y is equal to 1 line, and x is equal to 1 line. This is parallel to y axis. This is x is equal to 1 line, and y is equal to line. This is the line y is equal to 1. This is x is equal to 1, and this is y is equal to 1. The point of intersection of these two, this is 1 comma 1, and the point of intersection of these two lines is 1 comma 0. This point is taken as a, and this is b, and the point c is 0 comma 1. The incenter of the triangle formed by these three lines, so that is capital A is 1 comma 0, and capital B 1 comma 1, capital C 0 comma 1. Small a is equal to distance between the points B, C, that is equal to 1 minus 0 whole square 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, that is root 1 is equal to 1. Small b is equal to distance between AC, that is root over 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 2. And small c is equal to distance between AB, that is equal to root 1 is equal to 1. In center I is equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. Substituting the values in this equation, a 1 into x1, that is 1, b root 2 into x2, that is root 2, plus c 1 into 0, that is 0, by a plus b plus c, that is 1 plus root 2 plus 1, and ay1, that is 0, by2, that is root 2 plus cy1, 1 by 1 plus root 2 plus 1, that is equal to root 2 plus 1 by 2 plus root 2, comma root 2 plus 1 by 2 plus root 2. Take root 2 common in this denominator. Root 2 plus 1 by, take root 2 common, that is root 2 plus 1, comma root 2 plus 1 by root 2 common, that is root 2 plus 1. Here is root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 cancelled. Here root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1 cancelled. That is equal to 1 by root 2, comma 1 by root 2. This is the incenter of the given triangle formed by the lines x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 1. For all values of small a and small b, the line a plus 2b into x plus a minus b into y plus a plus 5b is equal to 0 passes through the point. Here is given line a plus 2b into x plus a minus b into y plus a plus 5b is equal to 0. Take a common, that is x plus y plus 1, and take b common, that is 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is in the form of L1 lambda 1 plus L2 lambda 2 is equal to 0. So first line L1 is equal to 0 is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and second line 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So add these two equations, that is x plus 2x, that is 3x plus y minus y cancel, plus 6 is equal to 0. From this equation x is equal to minus 2. Substituting x is equal to minus 2 in the first line, that is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2 plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1. Therefore, So for all values of a and b, the given line passes through the point x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 1. That is the answer. Lines 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 comma 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 cuts the x-axis at capital A and capital B. A line L is equal to 0 drawn through the point 2 comma 2 and meets the x-axis at capital C. The abscissas of capital A, capital B, capital C are in arithmetic progression. Then the equation of the line is dash. Here is the first line 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. This line cuts the x-axis at capital A, that is put y is equal to 0, A is 3 comma 0. And the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 cuts the x-axis at capital B. So put y is equal to 0, the coordinates of B is 4 comma 0. And the coordinates of taken C as x comma 0. These abscissas, that means 3 comma 4 comma x are in arithmetic progression AP. That means 2b is equal to a plus c, that is 2 into 4 is equal to 3 plus x. So from this 8 is equal to 3 plus x. So x is equal to 5 comma 0. X is equal to 5. So the point C point is 5 comma 0 and the line passes through the point 2 comma 2. Now the equation of the line passing through 5 comma 0 and 2 comma 2 is, that is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So that is y minus y1, that is y minus 0 is equal to 2 minus 0 by 2 minus 5 into x minus 5. So that is 2 minus 5 minus 3 cross multiplication, that is minus 3y is equal to 2x minus 10. This is 2x plus 3y is equal to 10. This is the equation of the line passing through 2 comma 2 and cuts the x-axis at capital C. Right line perpendicular to 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 forms a triangle with the coordinate axis whose area is 3 square units. Then the equation of the straight line is dash. This is Eamcet 2002 question. Here is given line is 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So perpendicular to this line, that is perpendicular to this line is 3x plus 2y plus k is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line perpendicular to the given line 2x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So area is given, area of this line is given. This area is equal to 3 square units. So area, that is delta, is equal to 3. Delta means c square by area is equal to delta is equal to c square by 2 mod ab. That is c square is k square by 2 into mod ab, that is 3 into 2, that is equal to 3. So therefore k square is equal to 36. Therefore k is equal to plus or minus 6. Substituting k value on that line, that is 3x plus 2y plus or minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line perpendicular to the given line and whose area is 3 square units with the coordinate axis. If minus 2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2 with respect to the line L is equal to 0, then the equation of the line is, this is the line L is equal to 0. So here minus 2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2. This is the 4 comma 2 point. This is taken as A and this is B. Now the line L is equal to 0 is, clearly the line L is equal to 0 is perpendicular to AB. So first we find AB slope. AB slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 2 minus 6 by 4 plus 2. that is equal to minus 4 by 6, that is equal to minus 2 by 3. And this point is the midpoint of AB, the line passing through the midpoint of AB. Therefore, midpoint is equal to 4 minus 2 by 2, comma 2 plus 6 by 2. That is 4 minus 2 is 2 by 2, 1. 2 plus 6, 8 by 2 is 4. And the line passing through 1 comma 4 and having slope minus 2 by 3 is, that is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. That is y minus 4 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 1. 3y minus 12 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. Therefore, 2x plus 3y is equal to 14. This is the equation of the line L is equal to 0. The lines 4x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, comma x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0, and kx plus 5y minus 3 is equal to 0 are concurrent, then k is equal to dash. This is Eamcet 2003 question. Given lines are, given 3 lines are concurrent. Concurrent means determinant of that is equal to 0. That is 4, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 5, k, 5, minus 3 is equal to 0. Now determinant of this value is 4 into 3 minus 25 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 5k minus 1 into 5 plus k is equal to 0. That is 4 into 3 minus 25, that is minus 22, that is minus 4 into 22, minus 88, that is plus 9, plus 5 into 3, 15k, minus 5, minus k is equal to 0. 15k minus k, that is 14k, 9 minus 5, 4, minus 88 plus 4, that is minus 84 is equal to 0. That is 14k is equal to 84. Therefore, k is equal to 6. The value of k is 6. A and capital B are 2 points on 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and P1 comma 2 is such that PA is equal to PB. Then midpoint of AB is dash. Here is given the line is, this is the given line. This is the given line. So this is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Capital A, capital B are 2 points on this line. These two are the points. And the point P1 comma 2 is equal distant from the lines A and B. These two PA and PB distances are equal. Now we draw the line perpendicular to given line and passes through that point. So first we find slope. Slope of the given line. Slope of given line is minus a by b, that is minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to 2, and perpendicular line slope is equal to m is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here slope is minus 1 by 2 and passing through 1 comma 2. Equation of that line is y minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. 2y minus 4 is equal to minus x plus 1. That is x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So solving these two equations, given line is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the first line, 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Solve these two equations, multiplying by 2 for the first line, that is 4x minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0 x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So add these two equations, 2y cancelled, that is 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 5. And substituting x is equal to minus 1 by 5 in the first equation, that is minus 2 by 5 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 2 by 5 plus 3, that is equal to minus 2 plus 15 by 5. So y is equal to 13 by 5. Therefore the point x comma y is equal to minus 1 by 5 comma 13 by 5. The area of the triangle formed by the lines x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. Here x is equal to 0 is y-axis and y is equal to 0 is x-axis, and 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. This is the line. So area of the triangle delta is equal to c square by 2 mod ab. That is c square is minus 12 whole square by 2 into 3 into 4, that is 144 by 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24, that is 12, 2 times cancelled, 12 12 times 2 6 times cancelled. Therefore area of the triangle delta is equal to 6 square units. If PM is the perpendicular from P2 comma 3 onto the line x plus y is equal to 3, then the coordinates of M are, this is Eamcet 2005 question. Here is given PM is perpendicular from P2 comma 3. This is the point P2 comma 3 is perpendicular to the line x plus y is equal to 3. This is the perpendicular, this is the point M. So now we take this point as taken as M x comma y. M is the point of intersection of the given line and the line PM. So here both the lines are perpendicular. PM and x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, then product of their slopes is minus 1, that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 is slope of PM, that is y minus 3 by x minus 2 into slope of that line minus 1 is equal to minus 1. From this y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Therefore x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the line PM line. This is second line, and x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the first line. Solving 1 and 2. First equation plus second equation. So that is x plus x 2x while cancel. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. Substituting x is equal to 1 in the first line. That is 1 plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2. Therefore the point x m x comma y is equal to 1 comma 2. Equation of the straight line perpendicular to 5x minus 2y is equal to 7, and passing through the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. First we find the point of intersection of the lines, that is first line is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. That is x, y, 1. Start with y coefficient, that is 3, minus 1, 2, 3 and 4, minus 6, 3, 4. That is x by 3 into minus 6, that is minus 18 plus 4, that is equal to y by minus 3 plus 12, that is equal to 1 by 8 minus 9, that is x by minus 14 is equal to y by 9 is equal to 1 by minus 1. Therefore the value of x is minus 14 into minus 1, that is 14, and y is equal to 9 into minus 1, that is minus 9. And the line perpendicular to given line perpendicular to 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. That is perpendicular line is 2x plus 5y is equal to k, and this line passes through the point of intersection of these two lines, that is 2 into x value is 14 plus 5 into y value minus 9 is equal to k, that is 28 minus 45 is equal to k, that is minus 17. Therefore k is equal to minus 17. Therefore required line is 2x plus 5y is equal to k. So 2x plus 5y is equal to minus 17. That is 2x plus 5y plus 17 is equal to 0. That is the answer. The lines x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, comma x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0, comma x plus 3y is equal to 6 meet in the common point dash. This is Eamcet 2006 question. Here is given 3 lines. So common point means solving any 2 lines. That is taken first 2 lines, that is x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0, x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Add these 2 equations, that is y cancelled. 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. From this x is equal to 6. Substituting x is equal to 6 in the first equation, x is equal to 3. Substituting x is equal to 3, that is 3 minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1. Therefore common point x comma y is equal to 3 comma 1. The equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, 2x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0, and perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0 is dash. This is Eamcet 2006 question. First we find the point of intersection of the 2 lines, that is first line is x minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0, 2x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0, that is x, y, 1, this is minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3, 5, minus 7, 2, 5, that is x by 21 minus 10, y by 4 plus 7, that is equal to 1 by 5 plus 6. Therefore x by 11 is equal to y by 11 is equal to 1 by 11. Therefore the value of x is equal to y is equal to 1. And the line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So perpendicular to this line is in the form 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. So this line passing through x comma y, that is 1 comma 1, that is substituting this point in this line, that is 2 minus 3 plus k is equal to 0, k is equal to 1. Therefore required line is 2x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. So k value is 1, that is 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the answer. The angle between the line joining the points 1 comma minus 2 and 3 comma 2 and the line x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. First find the slope of given points, that is a 1 comma minus 2 and b 3 comma 2. So slope m1 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. And the given line is x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore slope of this line is m2 is, that is minus a by b, that is minus 1 by 2. Observe these two slopes, that is m1 into m2, that is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. That means given lines are perpendicular. That means angle is equal to 90 degrees, that is pi by 2. If capital A 2 comma minus 1 and B 6 comma 5 are 2 points, the ratio in which the foot of the perpendicular from 4 comma 1 to AB divide it is dash. Here is given line AB. This is the line AB. This is A 2 comma minus 1 and B 6 comma 5. And foot of the perpendicular from 4 comma 1 to this line. This is foot of the perpendicular means perpendicular to this line. So now find slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to 5 plus 1 by 6 minus 2, that is equal to 6 by 4 is equal to 3 by 2, and perpendicular slope is equal to minus 2 by 3. So the equation of the line PD, this line passing through P and having slope minus 2 by 3, that is y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 4, that is 3y minus 3 is equal to minus 2x plus 8, that is 2x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. This is the line. So this line divides AB in the ratio, the point D. This is the point D. The point D divides AB in the ratio. The ratio is equal to minus L11 by L22. That means substituting a point in this line, that is minus of 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 11 by L22. Substituting second point, that is 2 into 6 plus 3 into 5 minus 11, that is equal to minus of 4 minus 3 minus 11 by 2 into 6, 12 plus 15 minus 11, that is 4 minus 14 minus 10 minus of minus 10, that is 10 by 12 minus 11, 1 plus 5 16, that is equal to 10 by 16 is equal to 5 by 8. Therefore the ratio is 5:8. Therefore ratio is equal to 5:8. That is the answer. If the sum of the distances of a point P from two perpendicular lines in a plane is 1, then the locus of P is dash. So two perpendicular lines means we taken that is as x-axis and y-axis. This is the point P. The distance from P to x-axis, that is mod y, and the distance from P to y-axis, that is mod x. So mod y plus mod x is equal to 1. This is the line mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. So this is, from this take both are positive, that is x plus y is equal to 1. Second equation minus x plus y is equal to 1, and minus x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1. These four lines forms a x plus y is equal to line. This is the first line, and minus x plus y is equal to 1. This is the second line, and minus x minus y is equal to 1. And this is the fourth line, x minus y is equal to a line. The four lines forms a rhombus. That is, first option is correct answer. Point on the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 5, which is equidistant from 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 4 is. Here is given point capital A 1 comma 2 and capital B 3 comma 4. So Px comma yb any point on the line. Equidistant means PA is equal to PB. That means squaring on both sides. PA square is equal to PB square. PA square is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Both sides x square and y square are cancelled, that is minus 2x plus 1 minus 4y plus 4 is equal to minus 6x plus 9 minus 8y plus 16. So that is minus 2x, take this side, that is minus 2x plus 6x, that is 4x, minus 4y plus 8y, that is 4y 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 9, minus 4. Minus 4 minus 16, that is minus 20 is equal to 0. So from this equation, 4y is equal to 20 minus 4x. Substituting this value in the given equation, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. Therefore, 3x plus 4y is 20 minus 4x is equal to 5. Minus x is equal to 5 minus 20, that is equal to minus 15. Therefore, x is equal to 15. Substituting x is equal to 15 in this equation, that is 4y is equal to 20 minus 4 into 15. That is equal to 20 minus 4 into 15, that is 60, that is equal to minus 40. Therefore, y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, the point x comma y is equal to 15 comma minus 10. The image of the line x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 in the y-axis. That means this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Image of the line, that is, this is the given line. This is the line. The line is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Image of the line x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0 in y-axis. That means this is the image line. This is the image of the line. This is the point taken as capital A. Put x is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 2, 0 comma 2. And this point put y is equal to 0, x is 2 comma 0. So image of 2 comma 0 with respect to this y-axis, this point is taken as C, that is minus 2 comma 0. Therefore, the equation of the line passing through AC is, the point A is 0 comma 2 and the point C is minus 2 comma 0. So slope m is equal to 2 minus 0 by 0 plus 2, that is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, equation of the line y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1, that is 0, is equal to m1 into x plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to x plus 2. So the line is x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the image of the given line in the y-axis. The straight line L is perpendicular to the line 4x minus 2y is equal to 1 and forms a triangle of area 4 square units with the coordinate axis. Then the equation of the line is dash. The equation of the line perpendicular to given line, that is given line is 4x minus 2y is equal to 1. So perpendicular to this line is, that is 2x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. This line making an area with the coordinate axis, that is delta is equal to 4, that is delta c square by 2 mod ab is equal to 4, that is c square is k square by 2 into 4, that is equal to 4. Therefore, k square is equal to 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16 into 4, that is equal to 64. Therefore, k is equal to plus or minus 8. So the equation of required line is 2x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Line joining the points capital A 2 comma 0 and capital B 3 comma 1 is rotated through an angle of 45 degrees about A in anti-clockwise direction. The coordinates of B in the new position. These are the coordinate axes. Here the point capital A 2 comma 0 lies on x-axis and the point, this is the point B 3 comma 1. The line AB is rotated through an angle 45 degrees. Then the coordinates of new position is C. So this angle is 45 degrees. The line AB. So now find slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to 1 minus 0 by 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. That means tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degrees. That means this line making an angle 45 degrees with the x-axis. So total angle is 90 degrees. So therefore now we find the distance of AB. AB is equal to under root of 3 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square is 1 plus 1 is equal to root 2. This is the distance. This is r is equal to root 2. So the coordinates of C is, that is C coordinates is, we know that x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to r. X minus x1, that is 2 by cos theta, that is cos 90 is equal to y minus y1 0 by sin 90 is equal to r, that is root 2. Therefore x minus 2 is equal to cos 90 into root 2, that is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 and y minus y by sin 90 is 1, that is y by 1 is equal to root 2. Y is equal to root 2. Therefore the coordinates of C x comma y is equal to 2 comma root 2. A point moves in the xy plane such that sum of its distances from two mutual perpendicular lines is always equal to 5 units. Then the area enclosed by the locus of that point. That means the line, that means here is given mod x plus mod y is equal to 5 is given. From this coordinate axis, these are the coordinate axes. This is the line x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. Area of this delta is equal to c square by 2 mod AB. That is c square is 25 by 2 into a is 1 into 1. That is equal to 25 by 2. And the second line minus x plus y is equal to 5. This is minus x plus y is equal to 5. And the third line, this is minus x minus y is equal to 5. And the fourth line, x minus y is equal to 5. So area of this first triangle is 25 by 2. Therefore total area is equal to 4 into area of the first triangle, that is equal to 4 into 25 by 2. 2 times cancel. 25 into 2 is equal to 50. Line L passes through k comma 2k, 3k comma 3k and 3 comma 1, and k is not equal to 0. Then the equation of the distance from origin is, then the equation of the line distance from origin is dash. So here is given points capital A k comma 2k, and the second point B 3k comma 3k, and third point C is 3 comma 1. This line L passes through 3 given points. That means these A comma B comma C are collinear points. Collinear means slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB, that is 3k minus 2k, k by 3k minus k, 2k is equal to 1 minus 3k by 3 minus 3k. Here k cancelled, take cross multiplication, that is 3 minus 3k is equal to 2 minus 6k. That is 6k minus 3k. 3k is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. K is equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore the point A is minus 1 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3. And the point B is 3k, that is minus 1 comma minus 1. And the point C is 3 comma 1. Now we find the equation of the line. So equation of the line BC. So that is y minus y1, that is y plus 1 is equal to 1 plus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into x plus 1. That is y plus 1 is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 into x plus 1. So 2y plus 2 is equal to x plus 1. X minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. Now distance from origin. Distance from origin is, that is mod c by square root of a square plus b square. That mod c 1 by square root of 1 square plus minus 2 whole square. That is equal to 1 by square root of 1 plus 4. That is equal to 1 by root 5. Value of k, such that the straight lines y minus 3kx plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 into x minus of 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 is equal to 0 are perpendicular. If two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, comma a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If these two lines are perpendicular, that means a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Applying this formula, a1 is minus 3k into a2, that is 2k minus 1 plus b1, that is y coefficient 1 into y coefficient, that is minus of 8k minus 1. 8k minus 1, this is plus into minus, minus is equal to 0. Take minus common, 3 into 2k, that is 6k squared, 3k minus 3k plus 8k minus 1 is equal to 0. From this 6k square plus 5k minus 1 is equal to 0. This is 6k square plus 6k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Take 6k common, that is k plus 1, minus 1 common, k plus 1 is equal to 0. So from this k plus 1 into 6k minus 1 is equal to 0. From this equation, k plus 1 is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 1, and 6k minus 1 is equal to 0, k is equal to 1 by 6. So the values of k are 1 by 6 comma minus 1. Straight line makes an intercept on the y-axis twice as long as that on x-axis, and it's at a distance, unit distance from the origin. Then the line represented by the equation is dash. So let the equation of the line is taken as x by a plus y by 2a is equal to 1, because here intercept on x-axis is twice that of y-axis. That is, take LCM, that is 2x plus y is equal to 2a. This is distance from origin is given. Distance is equal to 1, unit distance. So origin distance is mod c by square root of a square plus b square is equal to 1. Ca is 2a by under root of 2 square, 4 plus 1 is equal to 1. So 2a is equal to root 5. So substituting 2a value in the given line equation, therefore 2x plus y is equal to 2a. So therefore the equation of the line is plus or minus root 5. Here 2a is distance, that why we are taking as plus or minus 5. So hence the equation of the line is 2x plus y is equal to plus or minus root 5. From this, fourth option is correct answer.